everybody? It's your boy. And
live in Media
our designated driver. Smoke weed every day.
Tunaenda
license.
What? Of course.
Oh, big. Outside, we outside. We outside. Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy. So, guys, I didn't get time, to give you a good intro. So, we're live, and it's been a while since I've been on YouTube and stuff like that. But I'm here to serve you guys content for days. It's all good, man. It's all good, as you can see. We're live. We're all here, and over there, that's where we'll be camping. Did I mention, guys? We'll be camping actually. So this is a camping trip with the cousins. Yeah, big bro over here. But it long. Those are my cousins.
Please come.
No, there's a switch here. I'm just seeing.
Okay,
Okay, we can do that later. Come here, please. You look beautiful, by the way.
Come, I want you close to me.
You look beautiful, by the way.
Oh,
That. Your eyes. It was giving Ned vibes.
No
It was
shit.
giving, I could see, but okay.
Please come here.
No, I'm fine.
I know the stress and all that.
What?
Mala.
You guys are
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank our organizer. I know the stress. Even it was just organizing a small event, with me it's very stressful.
They're the plugs.
Okay.
Come sit here, please. Come sit here. Come sit here. Sit.
We want to give you your flowers.
And then your hair is doing funny things.
So, can we clock it? Can we clap it?
Welcome.
Don't stop it. Clap. Okay, number 2 to our drivers. It's not easy, but clap it to our drivers. And to our passenger driver assistant.
I'm not gonna clock it.
Oh, to the guys that are gonna set up the tent. The best Brian Master
That's a lie. Well, let's continue. Okay.
Guys, please, can we just loosen up?
And have fun, please.
Can we just loosen up?
We are already loosened.
Yes, please. Just
All right. Let's set up the
oh, we
tent.
made a chili at the back. Woo!
Okay.
Who's doing the tents?
Amati.
The lady set up beside. The lady set up beside.
Secondly,
Below the bride.
okay, guys, I'm just sitting at the camping chair. For our own safeties. I'm telling you.
We live in Caps, fam.
We live.
You want to
Smiles.
do it that side.
So the quotas are doing the most. The quotas are doing the most.
I assigned that during the week of
Then this is gonna be our view. But it's great, man. It's great. I love the place, love the view, and I'll be showing you guys around a bit later after we're done setting up. But so far so good, man. So far so good. So far so good. We're within, man. I can say we're within. So this is the setting up process. It's my cousin over there. Yeah, and then the camping chairs. We're within. Here we have the bright area. Very good. Yo, big bros. Okay, so here it's just, this is just part of our things. I don't know what that is. And then we have another bright area here, I think. Yeah, it's another bright area. We have a tap over here. We have a tap and a sink over here. And then, it's all nice. We have lights as well. And then over here we have our charging ports. But here we have our charging sports. It's a great place, man. It's a great place. Oh, and we have a bench here, bench situation. Nice. So yeah, we're in, man. We are in the main bathrooms. We have the toilets there. Very nice, the hand wash, and then the nice sinks there. The refill on the toilet paper, and then man, It's all good. So we have actually a big mirror here. Oh, nice. We have a big mirror. Too bad it's not clear. And then we have the showers here. It's actually quite a nice setup, you know. Yeah, it's a whole shower there. It's nice. Benches. I wonder what you need to do there, but ish. Okay, so yeah, this is actually nice. It's really, really nice. It's nice. So we have our bar situation here. And no one drinks this, so this is like for the meat, and then yeah, we're gonna work with everything else.
You said you're drinking one.
Going at this point, Jamie should sponsor us.
It's a special one. There was no lemon booster. Hey!
I'm not going to take the sound off of this video. We even have pistachio.
Pistachio. Root snakes.
Yes. Ice cream, 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 ice cream.
Nafe, Sahla, ice cream, Bosa, Nafe.
Also, bread. We also fry bread, guys.
You do what? In Ludrets?
Fry everything in Ludrets. We also fry bread. Can you see how toasty it is? How nice it is?
Ah, this is a heck.
DJ on the deck.
DJ on the deck.
Yes, man. Who is the first person to get drunk?
Look at girl. A girl like me.
Oh, that's a guy.
Word of the day.
Looking for a girl like me, you know where to find me.
Word of the day.
Hey, blood is strong, my son.
Blood is strong. Word of the day. Fuck you. Okay. Okay, that sounded personal, but okay. Kota, word of the day, word of the day.
Chaos creates chaos, order creates order.
Strong. Word of the day.
Do not forget to have sex.
Ha.
And you must come.
Ha.
You must come.
Ha. Okay. Word of the day. Look how's word of the day.
I'm babysitting.
What
I'm
is it?
trying to behave as well, but I'm babysitting.
Yeah, babysitting. Okay, word of the day, word of the day. Hey, Debo, word of the day.
Love who loves you, bro.
Love who loves you. Word of the day.
Family over anything.
Family over anything. Word of the day, word of the day.
Condomize.
And don't forget to come.
Okay, word of the day, word of
Next time I'll be the first one to pay.
Word of the day. Word of the day, word of the day, guys. Don't forget to have fun. You know, don't forget to have fun. Fun is important. You might have things that you need to do. You know, get it done, but don't forget to have fun. Cause you're all.
sugar in this potato salad.
She didn't shock, but
She is where?
But it was sweet.
What are we saying?
So guys, it's we're doing a gift exchange right now with my cousin. So the theme is you get little gifts, you know, lower than $10 or so, and then we just wrap it up.
All right.
Our rich cousin gave us 2 gifts. So here's one, and then here's the other. You know? Okay, for the second one.
Wow, you give it this one a hug, bro.
I don't need these things. I don't need
Wow.
Mine, put it down for the ladies. Okay. Oh, the guys are you take what? Okay.
Oh my God, come on. Whatever pops out. What, 18? How did you count them?
It's 11 people. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, fine. Tilo. Let's continue. Nice for me.
What white. What color? Maroon.
In case black. What color? Green.
Yeah, please.
Okay, you give it him. In case you go poop in the bush. In case you need to wash your hands.
So we got 2. Okay, we got 2, and then we got this as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Looking up.
Yeah. It's for Lennon. This one.
Let us enjoy this one.
It's already in the mouth.
Ready to eat. Okay. Wow.
This one.
Good man.
This is
Perfect. Making you, bro.
Sweet tooth. Everybody go.
okay.
For me, I have options for all of us, but take what you want.
Who got 2?
So we all drink wine, yeah?
Wine gun.
Yes. So as for me, guys, there was a bit of a delay, but I managed to take out one. So we should just, unwrap as fast as we can. Okay. There's a bola in the house. Oh. It's on. It's on. Hola familia. Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning, how are you, my brother?
Yeah, it's all good, man. It's all good.
Tukenyongoro sina tupentuke ni. Na tupentuke yekenda tupo pifeni. Wanangaluli mufikuri montenya. Ulipeni. Wanangaluli mufikuri montenya.
So we're starting our morning with a bit of bacon. Breakfast. You know, we dalo up my mask. Oh, I'm coming. So, and here we have Poiki, our trusted chef. Yo, the hair is not make sure. Yo. Recapping on last night's drama. What nyash? You are lying. That chill will give you diarrhea, bro.
There's more here.
Yeah, I told you that chili is not a joke.
Put the bread. Butter.
What is happening? I'm being given cold things, guys.
Okay.
So she's not checking.
Itira mbona to nena ine yofu ndali hapo ngiraka. Itashitulika. Ndali mwala livango mbona to hapo ngirande nene itira mbona. Ayo shoni tikucha. Opuwe kana skani. Onye mwala ndikivango. Ngelo wayo wina. Itira mbona to ine yofu kanena ndali hapo ngiraka. Ndipende fane. Uda fane kumwede.
Come on now. Chos.
C'est toi qui make no sigi atu make no maro to gana. Alo, oye ya ban.
Something cold.
Yeah, so we're having breakfast. So I got the love in here is having juice for breakfast. You know? She goes to the gym, but as for me,
We are having bacon, close up.
Bacon. So we're having
Where's
chicken.
bread now?
Chicken.
Chicken for breakfast. Scrambled eggs as well as bacon.
Yeah. So we are having this is scrambled cheese eggs.
Yeah, scrambled cheese eggs.
Yes, and then
bacon
we have,
and chicken.
Yeah.
Am I in? Baife?
Who was the highlight of the whole camp? Who was the highlight of the camp? Who was the highlight of the camp? Who was the highlight of the camp?
Ife.
Who was the highlight of the camp? Who was the highlight of the camp?
Professor, bro. You know that nigga. You know him. You know who Professor is.
Evalisa. Who was the highlight of the camp? Who was the highlight of the camp?
Alex.
So this is Pipe, guys. The famous Pipe, you know. Okay, so guys, we're wrapping up. It was a great one, man. So we all tired and yeah. So how was the experience? It was fun. How was the experience? How was the experience, guys?
Fantastic.
It was great.
I
Eh?
would love to do this again.
Again.
Next year, guys, stay tuned for
Yeah.
the year-end camping 2026, God willingly. Love you.
How was the experience, man?
All good, bro.
That was,
All good.
That was
Everything
great.
was good.
Super.
Full as a motherfucker.
Yeah.
I'm still dreaming.
Shit. As for my side, guys, it was a great experience. I'll do it again. It was awesome, and yeah, thank you for watching, man. Hopefully, I'll give you guys other content again, and yeah, thank you, man. It's all good. Yeah, there was, a little race, not really a race, but, it was a thing of who's gonna, get home first. So, yeah, we're finally home, and, yeah. So, the Fortuna came first, and then the Polo Inc, and then the T-Quad. I mean the T-Cross. I don't know what that T stands for, but the T-Cross came last. So, yeah. So that's the debate. That who's faster.
Yo.